You see now? Now open it up like this. Put your hand. It's really comfortable inside. And even if you want to keep it open for design purpose, you can keep it open, but this is the best. I'm telling you, this is the best. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm just going to show you briefly how to go about fixing a side pocket. And as you can see, I have sewn this outfit to some extent and I have closed the side seam. So if you don't know how to go about this, just let me know in the comment section. And if you look at it carefully, I have opened up the pocket space. Let me show you from the back side. But before then, here is I have my pocket here. I cut this on the suit lining that I'm using for the pocket, 14 inches here, 14 inches as the length and 9 inches as the width. So after that, I have my zipper here because I'm going to use a zip. If you get hold of a short zip, that would be preferable. For I decided to go for this long one because I didn't see the shorter one that I was searching for in this particular color. So to start with, let me just show you how the outfit is like. Let me show you the back side of it. So this is how it looks like. This is the back side of this outfit. And like I said earlier, if you look at it carefully, you notice that I marked where I'm going to stop my stitches. Then I back tack here. Then at this point also about 7 inches from from my waistline. This is the waistline. And 7 inches below, I skip about 7 inches. Then I back tack again. Then I continue to where I want my slits to stop. And this is how I'm going to place this. But before then, I would like to fix the zip first. And this is what I'm going to do. See this? Now, this side is, you can see this opening here. So what I will probably do is, I'm going to place this zip this way. Look at the point where the zip is likely to stop at this point. And this is where I'm going to match it down. So I'm going to open up this zip and iron it out in such a way that the invisible zip will become totally invisible when it is closed. So let me just go ahead and iron the zip. I'll push it to this side like this and iron it open. You can see how the zip is really twisting. Let me show you. See now, it's twisting. So I'm going to apply heat and iron it flat so that it will not twist like this anymore. After ironing it, I'll show you how it looks like. After ironing it, this is what I have. I can do the difference. Now you see, this is how it is. You can see how flat it looks. Now, let me show you how it looked like. Before now, this is how it was. See? So I open it up like this, sprinkle water, or you can use a steam iron. Not very hot iron. Use moderately hot iron. You can set your iron in such a way that it can iron silk. So this is what I have after ironing, because this is the part I really want to iron. I have to leave this part for you to see the difference. See, you can see this side is folding, this side is folding. So after ironing the zip, I'll just go ahead and place it this way. At the end point of my opening, I'm going to place it this way. See, I'll match it very well. Then I'll go ahead and start from where my first opening is. That's the upper side. This opening at the first upper side. I'm going to start stitch it close to the invisible zip. So I'll stitch it like this to this point. I'll back tack from here, stitch it to this point and back tack. Do the same thing with this other side. So after that, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So guys, after fixing the zip, this is what it looks like. You can see this. Mind you, the upper part has to be at the shoulder side while the down part goes down here. Anyhow you want to do, it's your preference. Then make sure that the upper part is upper here and then down side is down here. So you can see how neat it is. Make sure that you fix it very close. Now look at the stitches that I have made. Look at the stitches. You can see that the zipper is folding back because I have tried closing it. If you look at it carefully, you'll see the stitches that I have made. So you see now, very close. It's somewhere here, very close here. So when you are done, this is what you have. Now let me turn over to the other side so you can see. So this is what I have here. You can see, very neat, very neat. And if you close it up like this, oh my god, nobody would ever believe that there is a zip there. Since I am using an invisible zipper, it makes the work very neat. I have not ironed it yet, and yet look at how it looks like. So once I iron it up, it will look so perfect. You know, it's not everybody that likes this situation that when they wear their outfit that they make a side pocket and it looks somehow open. It will not be nice. Yeah, it will not be nice. But because you have to make it to be presentable, you need to impute a zipper. Try this for your clients, for yourself, and you like the outcome. See now, looking very, very beautiful, very, very presentable. So I'm going to show you the next step that you do. On turning the wrong side, this is what I have. So I'll just basically pick up this fabric. You can see I had already turned it over. I made 2 pieces of this because this lining fabric is very light, so I had to double it up so as to make the pockets very strong and beautiful. So I've already turned it. I've turned all the edges round, so I'm just going to place it like this. So if you are sure of yourself, you can just go ahead and pin it up like this and stitch round. But if you are not sure of yourself, just go ahead and add small hemming gum to it round. Then you now apply heat so it will hold down this in place. And there is a new pattern of fixing this pocket. Sometimes you may decide to make the width of the pocket to be like 10-12 inches. Then you can likely hold a plate when it is like up to that 10 or 12 inches. You can likely hold a plate here and a plate there. That will make the pocket to be deeper and more presentable. So if you wish to use that method, you don't need to double your fabric. But I don't want to use the method. I just want something very flat, and I think I'll be okay with that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stitch it round like this, and after stitching it, I'll show you how it looks like. So guys, when you are done stitching, you should have something like this. You can see how neat it is. I actually stitched without using hemming gum. Look at this. And make sure that it pops out like this by trying to push, like doing as if you want to gather the down parts. The reason being so that you may have a space when you're putting your hand and it will not disturb the outfit when you're rocking it. So let me show you how the front part is like. As you can see, everything is very neat. You can see this. I haven't ironed it yet, so when I iron it, it's going to look very, very professional. You see now? Now open it up like this. Put your hand. It's really comfortable inside, and the space inside is really big. And see now, even if you want to keep it open for design purpose, you can keep it open, but this is the best. I'm telling you, this is the best. So thank you guys for watching. Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Please, if there is anything that you want me to include in this content, you have the comment section to put your thought right there. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.